My name's Jesse Rosenthal. I do product support for Hastings Mount Isa. We're here in Boulia today and we're going out to see Eron with Harris Contracting to check out the Advansys system on their cat loaders and excavators.
My name's Eron Roberts. I'm the Operations Manager at P&GC Harris. The business has been operating for about 40 years. I've been with the business for 32 of those 40 years. Mainly road construction. We supply road base for the Shires. So I operate out of Boulia, like in the middle of nowhere really. We're 300 kilometres from south of Mount Isa, and that's our major city, in the middle of Central Queensland. Middle of nowhere.
I was talking to Eron about the GET options they were using. We had the offering with Advansys available, so I offered it to them. We sort of had a bit of a look at it. The retention option really suited Eron. We trialled it on a loader and then went forward from there.
It's been 12 months since we first went to Advansys, and we just find for our application that they work so much better. In terms of time difference, with the old type to the Advansys. It took us 5 hours one time to replace the teeth with the old pin type, where with the Advansys, you can simple Allen key, unlock it, pull it off, clean a bit of dirt out, put it back on and lock it up. One person, 5 minutes. Well, one of the benefits with the Advansys is it's just one single piece. The locking device is actually in the tooth. With the old type, you had the tooth, the pin, the locking washer. So with the Advansys, it's just one single cost. Just the tooth. Everything's in it, everything's there, you don't have to worry. A big reason why we went to them, so you could lock them on. Once you lock them in, they don't come off. Where with the other ones, there's always a tendency they would come off. And we did have that problem with one of our loaders, it kept coming off.
The boys down here have had issues with that in the past. With a multiple piece GT system, the tooth come off and then went through their crusher, destroying the crusher, causing major downtime, major cost factors that went along with that. This system's now taken over and reduced that risk down for them, and that was one of their deciding factors.
We're definitely saving money on the Advansys. Having only the one person to be able to change the whole set. You don't have to have two people there. They definitely save some money, yeah. We had a lot of confidence in them. We haven't had one drama with any tooth coming off, anyone getting hurt while they're changing them. It's a great system. We're not going to go any other way, really. We don't have anything else but CAT machinery. We find CAT machinery to be far superior, and the service you get and the backup support, that's probably one of the biggest pluses. Cover a fairly diverse range of machinery, and as I said, it's all CAT. Being that Boulia is so far from anywhere, we're 3 hours from Mount Isa, as I said, having Hastings near in there and being able to rely on them. They've got the base in Mount Isa. Usually you can ring them up and the parts are there. Yeah, that's always been the same. For the 40 years the business has been in operation, we've always relied heavily on Hastings steering, and that, we can't complain. We're very happy.